All right, savvy investors, what if I told you there are truly undervalued gems hiding in plain sight, poised for explosive growth? I'm not talking about the usual suspects. Today, we're diving deep into 7 under-the-radar stocks, meticulously selected for their massive upside potential heading into 2026. Stay tuned, because at the very end, I'll reveal a comprehensive data comparison table of all 7 to help you make your move. Topping our list at number 1, The Trade Desk, Inc., ticker TTD. As a global advertising technology powerhouse, TTD offers a self-service, cloud-based platform that empowers ad buyers on the open internet. In an era dominated by walled gardens, TTD stands out as the largest independent demand-side platform, providing an objective partner free from conflicts of interest. Despite a post-earnings dip of over 14% since its Q3 2025 results, the Trade Desk beat expectations. Revenue soared by 17.74% year-over-year to $739.43 million, topping estimates by over $20 million, and EPS of 0.45 also surpassed forecasts. This price action, largely due to concerns about growth deceleration, has created a compelling buying opportunity, with analysts projecting a substantial 63.93% upside. Truist Securities maintains a buy rating, confident in TTD's value proposition and the accelerating adoption of its Kokai AI platform. The Kokai AI platform is a game changer, with 85% of clients using it, delivering 26% better cost per acquisition and 94% better click-through rates. Connected TV remains TTD's fastest-growing channel, now accounting for approximately 50% of operations. The company boasts an exceptional customer retention rate exceeding 95% for 11 consecutive years, underscoring platform stickiness. With its international business growing significantly faster than North America and a strong balance sheet holding more cash than debt, TTD's fundamentals are rock solid. Aggressive share buybacks further signal management confidence. While some analysts fear AI could consolidate ad spend into closed ecosystems, TTD's innovation and independent position make it a prime candidate to redefine its future. Its current low PE relative to near-term earnings growth, combined with oversold RSI signals, marks TTD as a truly under-the-radar gem with massive upside potential heading into 2026. At number 2, we have Flutter Entertainment plc, ticker FLUT, a global juggernaut in online sports betting and iGaming. Operating iconic brands like FanDuel, Paddy Power, and PokerStars, Flutter is the undisputed leader in both US sportsbook and iGaming markets, boasting a formidable 47% NGR market share. The company is expertly positioned to capture the immense growth in the burgeoning digital entertainment sector. Flutter's Q3 2025 performance saw an impressive EPS beat of $1.64 against a $0.79 forecast, demonstrating robust profitability despite revenue of $3.79 billion, slightly missing estimates. While the quarter reported a net loss of $789 million, this was primarily due to significant non-cash impairment charges and market access payments, rather than core operational issues. Group revenue still surged 17% year-over-year in Q3, driven by exceptional 44% growth in US iGaming and 10% organic international growth. Analysts project a substantial 72.53% upside, with UBS maintaining a buy rating and a $340 price target, highlighting the alleviation of UK tax overhangs. Key catalysts include new state liberalization in the US sports betting market and the highly anticipated launch of FanDuel Predicts in December 2025, expanding Flutter into lucrative prediction markets. Management maintains its 2025 group revenue guidance of $16.69 billion, projecting 19% year-over-year growth. HSBC upgraded the stock to buy, citing its cheap valuation at 20 times PE and 16 times enterprise value to earnings before interest and taxes, even factoring in UK tax increases. While the company faces challenges like competitive intensity and regulatory headwinds, and had to reduce its FY25 adjusted EBITDA guidance by 14% at the midpoint, Flutter's market dominance, strategic investments, and compelling valuation make it an under-the-radar titan poised for massive returns. Our third contender for massive upside is HubSpot Inc., ticker HUBS. HubSpot is a leading cloud-based customer platform, empowering over 279,000 businesses across 135-plus countries to streamline marketing, sales, and service with AI. Despite a 20% drop in share price since its Q3 earnings, Wall Street maintains a largely positive outlook, with analysts like Wells Fargo reiterating a buy rating and a $600 price target, seeing an 89.34% upside potential. In Q3 2025, HubSpot crushed expectations. Revenue jumped by 20.87% year-over-year to $809.52 million, beating estimates by $22.63 million, and EPS of 2.66 topped forecasts by 0.07. This growth was fueled by a 21% increase in subscription revenue and strong international expansion, which now accounts for 49% of total revenue. HubSpot boasts impressive 84.1% gross profit margins, showcasing powerful unit economics. The key catalyst for HubSpot is its innovative AI strategy. The company aims to make AI accessible to SMBs by embedding it across all products, turning its Breeze Assistant into a co-pilot for employees. Their differentiating factor? Leveraging contextual data from their vast customer base to make their AI incredibly effective. Growth is also driven by platform consolidation and multi-hub adoption, with 43% of Pro Plus customers now using 3 core hubs, and a 35% year-over-year growth in deals over $5,000 monthly recurring revenue. While concerns about growth deceleration have impacted the stock, HubSpot's strong fundamentals, AI innovation, and upmarket traction present a compelling undervalued growth story, with net revenue retention expected to improve in Q4 as AI adoption accelerates. Coming in at number 4, we have Figma, Inc., ticker FIG, the undisputed leader in collaborative design. This cloud-based platform revolutionized UI/UX design, enabling real-time collaboration that empowers teams to create, prototype, and share interactive designs effortlessly. Figma commands an estimated 80 to 90% market share in the UI/UX space, establishing itself as a dominant force. Figma's Q3 fiscal 2025 earnings were remarkable, significantly outperforming expectations. Revenue surged by 38% year-over-year to $274.2 million, surpassing estimates by over $10 million, while delivering an EPS of $0.13, smashing forecasts by $0.08. The company also achieved a critical milestone, crossing the $1 billion annual revenue run rate. Despite these robust fundamentals, the stock has faced headwinds, falling nearly 70% over the past year. However, analysts see immense upside, with a projected 94.53% potential, and William Blair maintains a buy rating, citing strong momentum in Figma's Make product tool. The company boasts impressive profitability with an 86% gross margin, 12% operating margin, and 18% adjusted free cash flow margin. Customer loyalty is exceptionally strong, reflected in a 131% net dollar retention rate for customers with over $10,000 in annual recurring revenue. Figma is aggressively integrating AI, acquiring Weavy, Figma Weave, to combine AI models with professional editing tools. CEO Dylan Field views AI as the most important technology shift of our lifetimes, positioning design as the key differentiator. While a reported $1.1 billion operating loss in Q3 was largely due to one-time stock-based compensation, and insider selling has occurred to cover tax obligations, Figma's market leadership, high margins, and innovative AI strategy make it an intriguing high-upside play. At number 5, Venture Global, Inc., ticker VG. This US-based company designs, builds, and operates liquefied natural gas production and export facilities, boasting over 100 million tons per annum of capacity in various stages. The demand for LNG is soaring, and Venture Global is uniquely positioned to capitalize. Their Q3 2025 financials were nothing short of extraordinary. Revenue skyrocketed by 260% year-over-year to $3.33 billion, comfortably beating estimates. This surge drove a significant turnaround in net income, reaching $429 million from a $347 million loss in Q3 2024. While EPS of 15 cents slightly missed consensus, the overall growth trajectory is undeniable. Analysts project an incredible 113.07% upside, with Bank of America reiterating a buy rating with a $15 price target. Venture Global's strategic advantage lies in its modular, factory-built LNG production, enabling faster construction and higher-than-expected output. Their Plaquemines LNG facility, which began production in December 2024, is projected to account for a remarkable 82% of global incremental LNG capacity added in 2025. The company has demonstrated immense commercial momentum, securing multiple 20-year LNG supply agreements totaling 5.75 million tons per annum in 2025 alone, including recent landmark deals with Tokyo Gas and Naturgy. CEO Mike Sable envisions Venture Global becoming one of the largest LNG producers globally. However, the company faces ongoing arbitration proceedings, notably a loss against BP seeking over $1 billion in damages, and operates with substantial debt. Despite these headwinds, Venture Global's critical infrastructure, explosive growth, and long-term contracts make it a powerful, under-the-radar play in the energy sector. Zooming in on number 6, we have CoreWeave, Inc., ticker CRWV. CoreWeave is perfectly positioned at the epicenter of the AI revolution, offering GPU-accelerated infrastructure optimized for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and high-performance computing. Their GPU-first architecture provides a critical performance advantage over general-purpose cloud providers, attracting industry titans like Microsoft, OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Meta as key partners. The financial trajectory is simply extraordinary. Q3 2025 revenue surged by 134% year-over-year to $1.4 billion, and their revenue backlog now stands at a staggering $55.6 billion, nearly doubling in just one quarter, showcasing incredible future revenue visibility. Analysts project an impressive 113.99% upside, with some price targets reaching $150. Despite beating EPS expectations in Q3 by a significant margin, reporting a negative 0.08 EPS against a forecasted 0.35 loss, the stock did see a dip following a reduced full-year revenue forecast. Management cited delays from a third-party data center partner, adjusting guidance from $5.15 to $5.35 billion to $5.05 to $5.15 billion. CoreWeave's aggressive expansion strategy includes plans to significantly grow contracted power capacity, with over a gigawatt expected to come online within 12 to 24 months. This growth is backed by improving customer diversification, with no single client now accounting for more than 35% of their massive backlog. However, investors must acknowledge the substantial $14.6 billion in total debt and negative free cash flow of negative $8.06 billion over the trailing 12 months, reflecting a growth at all costs approach. While these factors introduce risk, CoreWeave's strategic positioning, explosive revenue growth, and critical role in AI infrastructure make it a compelling under-the-radar opportunity. All right, investors. Finally, Strategy Inc., ticker MSTR. This isn't your traditional enterprise software firm. It's a dual-focused powerhouse, providing AI-powered business intelligence while serving as the world's largest publicly traded corporate holder of Bitcoin. MSTR now owns an astonishing 660,624 Bitcoin, representing over 3.1% of the total supply. Under Michael Saylor's visionary leadership, the company has masterfully transformed into a Bitcoin treasury giant. Financially, Strategy Inc. has shown incredible results, reporting a record Q2 2025 EPS of $32.60, with generally accepted accounting principles operating income hitting $14 billion and net income at $10 billion. While core software revenue saw a slight 3.6% decline in Q1 2025, subscription services surged by an impressive 62%, signaling a successful shift to cloud-based models. Analysts project an astounding 199.93% upside, with price targets as high as $535 from TD Cowen. Saylor's long-term conviction in Bitcoin, coupled with the company's innovative Bitcoin-backed financial instruments, positions MSTR to capture substantial yield, targeting a 30% BTC yield for 2025. The company's strategic financial engineering aims to amplify Bitcoin's returns, and its B credit rating from S&P, while non-investment grade, significantly expands its potential investor base. A key catalyst is the potential for S&P 500 inclusion, which would unlock massive institutional ownership. currently trading at approximately 1.3 times modified NAV, well below its long-term average of 2.1 times. Many analysts see this as an attractive entry point. However, be aware of its high correlation to Bitcoin's inherent volatility and its substantial $8.1 billion debt load. Despite these risks, MSTR offers unparalleled, leveraged exposure to the future of digital assets, making it an under-the-radar play with monumental upside. Looking at the numbers, it's clear we have a diverse mix of growth stories. Starting with market capitalization, Strategy Inc. stands out with a substantial $48.13 billion, reflecting its unique Bitcoin treasury strategy, followed by Flutter Entertainment at $38.54 billion, a leader in global iGaming. At the other end, Figma, The Trade Desk, and Venture Global hover around the $14 to $17 billion mark, suggesting robust mid-cap opportunities, while HubSpot, despite its strong performance, sits at $19.4 billion. Revenue figures also present an interesting picture. Flutter Entertainment is the revenue titan here, pulling in $15.48 billion, closely followed by Venture Global at $10.84 billion, showcasing the immense scale of LNG operations. CoreWeave, despite being newer, already commands $4.30 billion in revenue, highlighting the explosive demand for AI infrastructure. In contrast, Strategy Inc. and Figma, while impressive in their niches, operate on smaller revenue bases but are growing quickly. When we consider profitability through gross margins, HubSpot and Figma lead the pack with exceptionally high margins of 84.1% and 84.8% respectively, a testament to their software-as-a-service models. The Trade Desk also boasts a very healthy 78.8% gross margin. Even CoreWeave at 73.9% shows strong unit economics for its specialized cloud services. Now, for earnings per share, this is where the stories diverge. Strategy Inc. absolutely dominates with a staggering $29.73 per share, reflecting its incredible Bitcoin-driven profits. Venture Global also shows solid profitability at 0.86 EPS, indicating successful operational ramp-up. However, Flutter, HubSpot, Figma, and CoreWeave are currently reporting negative EPS. For companies like Flutter and Figma, these negative figures are influenced by significant one-time charges or aggressive investment in future growth. For HubSpot and CoreWeave, it often signifies heavy reinvestment into expanding their platforms and capturing market share, typical of high-growth tech firms. The wide range in valuations and profitability underscores the diverse nature of these under-the-radar opportunities, each with its own unique risk-reward profile. So these are 7 under-the-radar stocks, each with the potential for massive upside heading into 2026. Which of these 7 companies do you believe holds the most promise for your portfolio, and why? Share your insights and predictions in the comments section below. And if you're looking for even more high-growth opportunities, don't miss our video right here on 7 hot penny stocks to buy now, according to analysts.